channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing. Look how tiny this box is. So y'all know this is a smaller box, but I am super excited to get it. Let's open this baby up. Y'all know I love me some Diamond Art Club. And I do have one coming. I finally was able to get one from Distracted by Diamonds, and y'all don't know how excited I am for that one. So that'll be a new place. Woo! Yeah. So of course, beautiful box, very small. Let's throw it over there. Boom. Got my little slip here. It is a square. How do I know that? Because it has this blue stripe. And it says it here. Diamond. Look which one I have, guys. Pink Mermaid. I have wanted her for a while as well. And the only ones that I've been wanting now too are the dragons. They have a series of dragons doing different things, reading books and, you know, drinking wine. I mean, it's all kind of stuff they're doing. And I was finally able to get one of those as well. And I'm excited. So there's two more in that series I want so far, because I don't know if they're bringing out more. But for some reason, they're missing off the site now. Before they had it there, but it was just out of stock. But now they're not even there. And I'm like, uh-oh. Come on now, don't disappoint me, Diamond Art Club. Sticker. Toolkit. Yes. There we go. Alright, and this one is a square. So y'all know the typical toolkit. When it's a square, you get the very sharp tweezers, the blue drill pen, the blue squishy, a 4-placer, 2 things of wax, lots of baggies, and a clear boat. Love those. Here is the little sticker. And here is the image, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, all I can see is sparklers here in her hair. These colors are gorgeous. So it is Pink Mermaid by, there's the name, Chibimika, I don't know, Chibimika Art. She is a 42 by 51 centimeter, which is 16.5 by 20 inches. And she has 35 colors and 3 ABs. Wow. 35 colors and 3 ABs. Let's get her open and let's see what this baby looks like. I am loving that it's a smaller canvas too. I've been getting such big ones lately, but I can't help it. I don't know what this is on it. Can y'all see that? It's like fuzz or something, but I'm pretty sure it's nothing. Oh yeah, this is a very nice size. Here are the step-by-step instructions that you get with every canvas, and it has a coupon code in there, guys. Here are our beautiful drills. Look at those colors. Are you freaking kidding me? Pink Mermaid with AB. Let's move this to the side. All I'm doing is rolling her the other way, guys, so that she will lay flat. Y'all know how I like to do that. And she's tiny. Look at her. Tiny. Wow. Look how beautiful. OMG. Look at her. Make me want to do her first next. Oh, very sticky, of course. No doubt. You know I like to lift up my edges. I love things that are mystical. You know, mystical creatures and dragons and mermaids. I absolutely love them. Fairies. Things like that. I love it. Very easy to do. As you can tell on here, the schematics here is on the top left. Says Pink Mermaid 42 by 51. Has her little thumbnail. And then there are the legends on the top left and as well as the bottom right. This one does not have the information like the other ones did. It might be an older version that they brought out. But let's take a look at the drill field. We'll do this side. Has these beautiful colors. Typical Diamond Art Club fashion. You know these areas are going to be magnificent. No issues at all with the symbols. And this looks like it has glitter on it as well. This canvas. So let's get into, ooh, look at her with her lip. Got her tongue, ooh, excuse me, her tongue sticking out. I love this tail fin here. Oh, I could just see sparkles all over her. These ears, oh my gosh, she's got them pierced. She is gorgeous. I'm loving the color. All right, let's flip her over. And let's look at these drills, guys. I want to get into these pastels. I'm going to be so excited to work on her as well. She might go ahead of another one I want to do. I still haven't gotten her in. I still got several that are were pre-ordered and they still haven't come in. All right, how many trains do we have? We got 1, 2 trains. All right, so let's look at this baby here. We'll start this way. Look at this beautiful pink. 604, 3756. This is not a white. It looks like a very pale green, like a very pale teal. If you don't know, it looks like it could be glow in the dark. You know, that's what it reminds me of, but it's not. And then we got pink, 605, 2775. These are so pretty. I love that pastel color. 2 602s. Oh, beautiful pink. 993. 2 603s. Oh yeah, pink heavy, baby, pink heavy. 209. 963, a very baby pink. 601. 758. That must be her skin tone. I wonder if I can change that skin tone. 758. 3325. 3841. 3778. 992. Those are the big bags. And then we'll get into the smaller bags. This is a very tiny canvas and I'm loving it. First one I see is this beautiful 210. And then AB, our first AB, 141. Y'all know I love that 141. You can use that on any canvas, really, if you got white on your canvas. 141 is that white AB. 600, 954, 3755, 917. Another AB, guys. 127. Wow. Is this for her skin? Look at that color. We're going to find out. And then we got, okay, why are you twisted like that? 754, 356, 519, 955, 208, 126. There's that third AB, and it is a beautiful lavender color. Oh my gosh, that's very pretty. Have to see if I got more of that. 799, 915, 3760, 948, 3830, 310. Woohoo! Look at that. Y'all know I'm happy about that. 310. And then they just sprinkle it. Boop. Just a little bit of 310. Then 154. Wow. Let's see where those ABs goes, guys. All right, so the first one was 126, which was that lavender color, which is number 1. So all the ones on here is that lavender AB. So let's check that out. Let's look up at the top first. I don't see any up there. It's more down towards the bottom. The ones are here in her fan. I see a lot of the ones here. On this side here, it's like a little outline. So it's not a lot of number 1 for her fin and her fin. That's where it is. And then number 2's is that light, look like skin tone. That's what I thought it was, like a skin tone. 127, and it's the number 2. So let's look for that. Number 2's. It's not in her face. Wow, okay. Let's see. I see some 2's right here. right on her shoulder. And it looks like that is it. Wow. That's it? So number 2's right here, guys. Right here. Oh, okay. I see right here. Right here. Okay. Now I'm seeing it. I'm like, wait a minute. That might not be skin tone. Because this looks like in her hair a little bit. Or something's dripping off of her. I see it here. Maybe it's supposed to be like a highlight. But it looks like skin tone here. A little bit here and a little bit on her fan. That's it for the number 2's. And then the 1AB, that's the dot, number 3, which is that dot, 141, white. All in this little cluster of flower here that's in her hair, the jewel. All of this is AB. All of this is AB. This is AB, all her jewels outlined here. I love that. All this dripping down here, jewels, is the AB. I do love that. I'm glad that is it. And then she's got a little bit here on her fin and over here on her tail. Oh my gosh. I'm loving that they did do that for the AB. One thing I know I'm going to add is pink AB in her hair. There's no way I cannot not do that. Come on now. Oh, this pink beautifulness. And then these lips. You know I got to do that. This is so pretty, guys. Tell me what y'all think about her. Again, it's Pink Mermaid by Chibi Micah Art by Diamond Art Club. It's a square, and she is gorgeous. These colors are going to be so pretty. They're pastel. I cannot wait to kit her up. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.